So we are done sectioning her hair. I'm going to apply this product again. The sun is out again. I'm going to use hairband to secure the hair. To secure. Okay. Use black rubber to secure the hair. Just braid the hair like this. What is it with you? I'm coming. Give Mama 1 minute. Yes, you want? Okay, give me 1 minute, honey. You have to wait, okay? Only have 2 hands and 2 legs, okay? Okay, leave this. Yeah. Sorry, that is my nails. I need to cut that nails because so I can see what I'm doing. Thank you. After braiding the hair, I'm going to cross it like this, and I'm going to wrap it around on the ponytail. I'm going to look at that, beautiful. It was 2023. This is the back side, absolutely beautiful. She can actually rock it like this. She can rock it like this, but I'm going to braid it for her so it can last her for 1 week.
Hoe raak ik ze?
Oui.
Die.
I'll try not to call anybody with my phone, okay? Okay, honey?
Just move to the phone.
You guys, because her hair is coily hair, sometimes if I'm done braiding the hair, I'll be seeing some hair poking out. As I'm combing the hair.
I'm playing a new game from the hospital.
What? New game from where?
Yeah, this is a new game. And I don't play it, so I'm playing it.
Okay.
First, let it go. And oh, fucks.
You know that very soon that your iPad is going to be full. The way you download game every day.
No, it's with this game you only have to balance one, and then all the game is there. So
Okay.
it's nothing after that.
I'm going to use rubber band, black rubber band, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of cream, and I'm going to use it to secure the end. The hair is not tight. So you can see the hair is not tight at all. Look at that, beautiful. You can go wash. This is the hair after braiding it. This is the back side. Beautiful, I love it. Show them your hair. It's just a simple hairstyle. Voila. Look down a little bit. This is the front. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like and share. What do you think about this hairstyle? It's perfect for long and short natural hair, and it's super easy to achieve, and it's perfect for back to school. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. Bye guys.